Yep, he just knocked over the sign and trying to fix it. Yep. Shut up!
Hole in one.
Dig it! Ken, show me your finger. And what kind of finger is that?
My Jesus finger.
Why is it your Jesus finger?
One way with Jesus.
You did it! Oh my gosh, Kent, what do you think it is? It smells like something died in there. Ew, what is it? Stupid head.
Ow, I pinched my hair. So Game of Thrones has nothing compared to me. This is Rockman's throne.
Rockman?
Rockman.
Oh, you can do a pop. Uh-oh, here he comes. He's stuck. What happened?
Oh, please. That I messed up on my blue cheese. Thought I could do blue cheese, but it's blue cheese dressing, not crumbled pieces.
So what kind of hamburger did you get?
A sourdough bacon cheeseburger kind of thing.
But you wanted...
Blue cheese on it. But it came with the Thousand Island topping, so oh well.
And how does things usually turn out like that when you keep adding and adding and adding?
It doesn't always taste that good.
Looking at something. What is that? Dang it.
What?
I was hoping that would spill all over your face.
Is that what you were waiting for?
Find any gold? Come on, baby.
Finding mud. Dios hace nombre es feliz. La vida es nada, todo se acaba. Solo Dios hace nombre es feliz. Cristo quiere que tú es feliz. Es feliz. Cristo quiere que tú es feliz. Es feliz. La vida es nada, todo se acaba. Solo Dios hace nombre es feliz. Es feliz. Hey everyone, this is Kent with Two Farleys on the fly. I'm on the way to take a shower. I wanted to kind of show you my setup. Actually, this is what's kind of cool. It's a lunch pail, and I use it for the bathroom. And one of the big reasons why is, look, it's light, so I don't have to worry about things getting wet. I really think that's a cool one. And then I have my towel and my thing with the belt wrapped in, wrapped up my shoes. Anyway, it's kind of a quick and easy way of going to the showers.
And how come you take a shower not in the RV?
Because we are not in full hookup, and the wife needs to take a shower in the RV, and I'd be nice.
Like usual. Okay, let's go, Master.
This is a skipper. It's a heavy skipper.
Okay,
I'm going to show you how it skips with the high and power flow.
sure you are.
Oh! In your face. And I'm looking at my wife's crack G7.
Oh.
Not her butt crack.
Okay, I'm not kidding you guys. He's like a kid. I'm not even kidding. This is the end of it. Look at his hands.
I got some coffee. No, I wish. That's my
He's been waiting, so the almond car just went through, Blue Diamond almond truck
Oh, yeah.
just went through at the parade. And he has been out here like a little beggar boy waiting for his favorite wasabi almonds.
Samaya.
Well, I'm sure we can Google it for directions to get there.
Here, you can go south is like 8 miles.
Oh,
You're there, and the store is there. I'm pretty sure they're
awesome. Thank you. So I guess we know where we're going today. Here comes some more.
Oh, it's not?
Yeah, they are. They're still coming. Do you want more? Okay, does everybody see his pants pockets? You can barely get. He's got a pants full of. He's got a pants full of nuts. No, we haven't.
Yes. Where do you live for you?
No, we travel full time in our fifth wheel. We're from Washington area, and so we're just staying around here.
Okay,
But
because they have the gift store. If you go south on 99,
okay,
there's Hammett and
Oh.
there's Kiernan.
Kiernan.
So you
Okay,
take Kiernan, so you get off, go over the freeway and up to the lights and turn right, and then there you'll see the big Blue Diamond.
Perfect.
And they've got a gift shop there.
oh, wonderful.
They have about 20 sample things that you can just try and see which ones you like.
Lovely.
They have sweet ones.
Why couldn't I
They have a
Googled
truffle
her.
That's only-
blueberry, they have coconut. They have
Oh, how
salsa,
wonderful.
They're so much better than
wasabi.
anything else.
Oh,
I have these every day.
thank you so much.
Yeah, so south, take the
Look at all that. You don't need all that.
No,
I'm just kidding.
His pant pocket
I
is
have-
full.
Yeah, so second exit is Kiernan. So go over
Kiernan, over the freeway.
When you come to the lights, take the next right. You'll see the big deck.
Perfect.
Drive around, and then you'll see the gift store in there.
Perfect. Thank you.
Sure, if it's open on a Sunday, that's it. Maybe.
Okay, we can go during the week. So we'll be here for another week.
Yeah. And
Awesome.
they do gift boxes. They do like long packets like this. They do tins.
Perfect. How
Like
exciting.
bags of them,
Oh,
and
nice.
Oh,
beautiful gift store.
oh, I'm excited to go. Thank you so much.
Try all the samples.
Oh yeah, we're like we're at Costco. So pull them out. Hold on. I want to see what's in your pockets.
Oh, okay.
Let me see what's in your pockets. Let me see.
I can't even pull out that
Let me
much.
see. I want to see what's in your pockets.
And it keeps on going.
This is ridiculous, kid.
Hey, there's a green one. Well, that's just natural.
You guys, seriously, look how many he has. He's like a kid at Halloween with his almonds. His pants are filled with nuts. You got
Okay,
you
that's
got a
it.
lot of nuts there, Mr. Farley.
Yeah, I do. And all kinds of varieties of it.
All kinds of variety of nuts.
I guess this is why they call it Crazy Kids videos. Now I gotta put them all back in my pocket.
You could just walk around like that. Well, maybe
No,
not. Somebody
my
may
belly's
take 'em.
showing. Oh, crap.